Alright, a little bit later in the day, did start to rain on me again a little bit earlier after I did that video, with just a light mist, but now it's been cloudy. But over here moving, I got that trailer pretty full where it needs to be stacked again, but I need to straighten up the fencing on it. It's getting pretty beat. That's just, I think, old garage door track. And it's funny, the old man I got the sawmill from, the other trailer over there has trampoline, from the circle of a trampoline as the roof pulls. He was willing to use anything. I mean, good idea. I have a whole trampoline up the hill there that I'll use. But all right, working on moving this steel out of here, and then I'm gonna pull up in here and start moving slabs over here to by the building and cut them up right here next to the building, so I don't gotta move. You know, I feel it's a little easier that way. You know, I don't want to pick up 100 pieces there in the woods, load them in a truck to move them over here. I'd rather just cut it up right here. So, I mean, all right, so I'll just probably set you off in the corner and do a time lapse of me moving all this stuff. Yeah, see here, these are all coming loose. He used oak. It's held out. He said he built these trailers like 30 or 40 years ago or something like. He was talking about one thing and talking about these too. And one thing he did 40 years and one thing was 30. But this whole front too, I slid it back that way, but it needs to be addressed before I load it up anymore. Oh. At least they're pins, I can knock them out. I need that off there anyway, so I'm gonna do that. Those cotter pins are not coming out of there very easily, and I don't got no power over here, so I got a strap on and I'm gonna give her a couple bounces, see if I can get it spin around and at least drag it out of the way. That's all I'm really trying to do with it right now. I'll get it out there in the log drop area and deal with it then. I'm just trying to get in here to start moving these slabs over here. This is more important than slab shit. And I don't feel like that's gonna work, but Ran out of gas right there while I was throwing a few more on. Of course, that first pile, nothing about it is straight, but at this point, I don't really give a shit. I was able to scoop it. You know it. Dog had to run right out in front of me as I'm throwing logs. He's tough. Anyways, getting there. The stuff that's more neater piled, it was piled pretty neat. I actually had logs under here for it to sit on. I forgot all about that, but so I'm stacking that up in front of the bay, and then the stuff that is coming off the forks all crazy, I'll just set over there and be able to cut it and throw it right in on that split wood. So I'll bring you back when I got it done. I'm gonna work on it for a little while longer. I might try to finish it. We'll see. I need to get that Detroit over here so it ain't sitting right there all winter. I just seen him as I was just getting ready to let you guys know that went up, had dinner. Guess I sat around too long. Oh. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Have a good evening, and till next time.